Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Remove the footwell sealing panel. Pull on the base of the glove box door and lift to remove the glove box from its hinges. Remove the dampener cord from the glove box. Remove the 6 Phillips head screws around the edge of the glove box assembly. Remove the side panel. Remove the glove box assembly and set it on the floor. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1119 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the glove box assembly. Reinstall the screws. Reinstall the side panel. Reinstall the dampener arm. Reinstall the glove box by relatching the hinges. Some carefully applied pressure on the base sides will have it click into place. Close the glove box. Reinstall the footwell sealing. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.